What are secret real estate listings? Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald with houseflippingguy.com. Common sense answers to real estate investing. And so I want to answer the question, what are secret real estate listings? These are often referred to as pocket listings. What are pocket listings? And why do they even exist? Pocket listings are listings that are taken by a real estate agent and not marketed publicly. So, for example, let's assume you have a house. Let's assume you have a house for $200,000, and that particular house, you need to sell it. So you contact an agent. That agent goes ahead and lists your property, but they don't advertise it publicly. They advertise it to their quote unquote buyers list. What's the main objective of this? Money. The objective is money. I don't care how you want to slice or dice or whatever it is. The objective is to get double ended on the deal. Agents like getting double ended on deals. Okay? So as opposed to, let's say, for instance, the contract fee, the commission fee is 6%, right? So 6% of 200,000, that's 12 grand, right? So they can make that entire fee, or they'll make a little bit less than the fee because the actual listing belongs to the broker. Okay. Anytime you see an agent, it's not necessarily their listing. That agent works for a broker. It's that broker's listing. Okay. So many people may not know that, but yeah. So the objective of a pocket listing or a secret real estate listing is to make money. There are a lot of these listings that exist, guys. And one of the ways to get to know if a particular agent has a listing is to ask. That's pretty much the only way that you're going to find out if an agent has a listing. If they're a popular agent within an area, and they are the go-to agent within this area. From time to time, they potentially come across pocket listings. Why? Well, they have accumulated a nice buyers list within that area, and to them, it doesn't make any sense to go ahead and list that property publicly. There's a lot of agents out there who specialize in particular areas, and that's for many of you who are real estate investors. A lot of you are cash buyers within a particular area, and you're giving it to a quote unquote go to agent in your area because they can go ahead and get it sold. Well, ask that agent if they have any pocket listings. You may have never asked that to them before. Ask them and let them know that you would like to be on the list anytime they come across a listing that's a pocket listing. Because these listings are not advertised on the MLS, the local multiple listing service. Okay, these listings are, like I said, lots of times they're money motivated, because it makes no sense for that listing agent to go ahead and split that commission with that broker, with that buyer's agent, when they can go ahead and sell the property themselves. Now, should they go ahead and list that property publicly? Yeah. I mean, but it's how can I say it? To each his own. I am not a licensed agent, and so I would say this: many of you that are looking for listings that are not on the market per se, you want to talk to the heavy hitters in your areas, people that are really popular listing real estate agents within that area, and ask them if they have any pocket listings that are available. Okay. Some of you may not know that. And if they do, let them know you would like to be on their list, especially if you are a professional real estate investor, especially if you know what the heck it is you're doing. This could be a very, very, very valuable relationship for you. And I'm letting you know because there's a lot of you that are dealing with wholesalers that buy these properties cash, turn around and you give it right back to the superstar in the area. Well, guess what? That superstar, They have a buyer's list. And guess what? They have a seller's list as well. Lots of them have, lots of times they have a secret seller's list as well. And the winter time, oftentimes is some of the best times to go ahead and contact them, because oftentimes when the weather is cold, the market is cold. When the weather is warmer, the market is warmer within a lot of these areas throughout the United States. So contact your superstar real estate agent that you've been going to for years and ask them, can you be on the list for their listings? Because you've been giving them a lot of business over the years. Even if you're brand new, lots of times you'll come across a newer agent who's just hot and heavy in the area, and let them know that you're serious. You're a serious real estate investor. And yeah. So this is Gerald. Just another little tip. Remember that secret listings, secret real estate listings, pocket listings, they can be very profitable. Y'all take care. I'm going to have some links in the description. Please share this with family and friends. Yeah, think about that, guys. This is Gerald. Have a good one.